Did you know dowel exercises are some of the best exercises you can do to strengthen your arm and shoulder after a stroke? They're versatile because you can do them from the bed, you can do them standing, or from a chair, all depending on the purpose of the exercise and your ability level. Dowel exercises offer a unique therapeutic benefit because your stronger arm is able to assist your weaker arm throughout the movement. This is what we call active assist. Your weaker arm does everything it can within its ability level, while assisted and supported and guided by your stronger arm. Once you have enough strength in your affected arm and shoulder to raise your arm to shoulder height or higher with good form and without assistance, you can move to doing your dowel exercises seated and or standing if you are able to do so safely. As your strength improves, you can challenge yourself by adding a wrist or ankle weight to the dowel for your exercises. Always start light and work your way up. Depending on your level of strength and an ability level, you can start as light as a quarter pound, half pound, and 1 pound, and see how your body reacts. If you're able to keep good form, then work with that weight and then decide if you should go up from there. Always sit nice and tall so that you can engage your core muscles as you work through the arm exercises. Canes and walking sticks are great to use as dowels because they're lightweight and readily available. And if you have a weak hand but a strong shoulder, use an ace wrap to secure your hand to that dowel. Brooms and mop handles can also easily be used as a dowel. Just unscrew the handle from the base of the broom or mop, and then you're ready to go. It's just like any other dowel or cane, and it was free. If you feel your broom or mop handle is a little too skinny and hard to grip, there is another option. Home improvement stores like Home Depot and Lowe's carry PVC pipe that can be cut custom to a size of a dowel. Once you're in the store, find the plumbing aisle. Once there, you'll see PVC pipe ranging in all different sizes. The diameters change, but most are about 10 feet long. There's a tool in the aisle that the staff can help you to use to cut it to whatever length you want. Often, you can get 2, even 3 dowels for under $5. So whether you decide to use a wooden dowel, or work out with a therapist or trainer in a gym, or just doing your own thing at home, dowel exercises are highly scalable, meaning you can use them when you're just getting some movement back with some safeguards in place, and scaling on up as you get more and more strength in your upper extremity. So find a place for dowel exercises in your home recovery routine. I promise you won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.